Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today we're going to be doing another clean with me, and in this one I'm mainly going to be focusing on the upstairs area. So I'm going to do the master bedroom, the master bathroom. I'm going to show you guys a little bit in the closet because I had some clothes to hang up, and then also I'm going to clean Uriah's room. It wasn't too bad, but I just needed to kind of pick up in there. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing in this clean with me. So right now I'm just putting everything away. So we had some clothes on the little bench, and I'm just putting all that away, and then I'm gonna start making the bed here.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave.
So now I'm going to go ahead and focus on the nightstands, and my nightstand, it seems to accumulate so much junk, so I always try to clean it off daily to prevent that. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything off, and I'm going to spray it down with this awesome spray, and I love this stuff, you guys. It's so awesome, hence the name. So it's pretty much a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it for pretty much anything. So I like to use it to wipe down counters. You can also use it in your laundry, and it will literally get any stain out. And it's really affordable. You can get it at the Dollar Tree, so obviously it's $1. You can buy it by the gallon. So yeah, it's definitely one of my most favorite cleaning supplies. So if you guys haven't checked it out, I will have a link below for you guys to do so.
What you got yourself into? Come on, say something. I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing. The moment's getting lost. Ain't no time for stopping. So show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into? What you got yourself into? What you got yourself into? I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
Yeah.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. Eyes on me,
All the eyes are all on me.
all the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me.
Loving the attention, I feel we're so close. Building up tension till it's about to blow. Another dimension, I already know. I know you can feel it, but what you got yourself into? What you got yourself into?
And now I'm going to move over to this little fireplace area, and I definitely wanted to dust this space because it had been quite a while. So I would definitely consider this more of like a semi-deep clean because it's definitely not a daily clean. This is not how I clean our room on a daily basis. This is a little bit more in depth. So since I had a little bit more time this day, I definitely wanted to take the time to just really dust and get this space really nice and clean.
Eyes are all on me. I love it when you put it on me. Get it before it's too late. I've been gonna feel good away.
Also, I wanted to let you guys know in this video, I'm wearing my shirt that says God Goes Growing and Glowing. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, I will have a link listed below.
despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get.
Now I'm going to move on to cleaning the mirrors. So we do have mirrored furniture, but what I really love about this mirrored furniture piece is it's not as hard to keep clean because obviously it's not all mirror, but it still gives you that mirror effect. So I really love this. We got it from Z Gallery years and years ago. I think I got it during a Black Friday sale and it was like 40% off. So yeah, we've actually had this furniture for such a long time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this full-length mirror because Uriah's all the time standing at it and putting his fingerprints all over it. So yeah, I just want to make sure that the mirror is nice and clean. So now that I've got all of that taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the space. So I'm using my Dyson vacuum cleaner. So this is one that I've had for quite some time. I bought a newer one, so I keep one upstairs and one downstairs, and it's really convenient. It's a little bit extra, but you don't have to worry about running downstairs to get it if you need to get something out the floor upstairs. So yeah, you might call it lazy, but I call it convenient. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and vacuuming the floors.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not.
And I want to go ahead and clean this rug and the floors up here. So I'm using this Bissell Crosswave, I think it's called. And this was another Black Friday find. So it actually cleans your rugs and your bare floors. And it's supposed to clean and vacuum at the same time. But I don't really trust that. So I always just like to go ahead and vacuum my space before I actually start using it. So yeah, I love using this. I use it for all of my rugs. And it does a really good job at keeping the spots up, doing a, a spot clean and all of that. To the master bathroom, and it wasn't that bad. I just needed to pick up a few things. I try my absolute best to not let our space get in an overwhelming mess because that just makes the job harder at the end of the day. So I always try to pick up a little bit on a daily basis, and I will be doing a daily cleaning routine to just share with you guys what I like to do on a daily basis to just keep our space really nice and tidy so that once I do get a chance to deep clean, it's not overwhelming. So yeah, I will be sharing that with you guys really soon.
Stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do.
clothes into Colton's closet earlier, so I wanted to go ahead and hang those up and put them away because who knows when he would do it. So yeah, I went ahead and got that taken care of. Now moving on to my closet because I had gotten some new pieces that I wanted to go ahead and hang up, and then I just had some stuff like laundry and stuff that I needed to put away as well. So that is what we're doing here. I do plan on sharing my closet with you guys, but it's nowhere near finished. I still have a few pieces that I want to add and all of that jazz. So yeah, I will share it with you guys, but I haven't really completely even organized all of my clothes. So yeah, I'm still trying to get everything, you know, pretty much organized and figured out. I feel like that's my entire life. I'm always trying to get it figured out. But I did add a chandelier. So yeah, I kind of just need to update you guys. I'm thinking about doing a 1-year house update tour. So if you guys would like to see something like that, then just let me know in the comment section and give this video a big thumbs up.
Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so alive.
Quickly, I'm just gonna clean the inside of the shower, and I'm using the Kaboom shower cleaner, or I think it's just the all-purpose bathroom cleaner. So yeah, I just like to use it all over the walls, and I'm also going to clean this little shelving area. So I like to take all of our stuff out and spray it down with the spray, and it starts off blue and it eventually turns white. So yeah, I just spray it all over. I use a little bit of water, and then I just like to wipe it down really good.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go.
And I'm going over the floors with this vacuum just to get up any hair or anything like that. That's one thing that I really love about this flooring though. It doesn't really show stuff on the floor very easily, so that is a plus. And I'm also just doing a little bit of spot mopping.
They came and swept away all the fun of your.
Now moving on to Uriah's room. So there wasn't much to do in here. I just wanted to clear off the bed and put his towels away and all of that. So yeah, I just wanted to make it nice and neat because I know if I don't go ahead and get it taken care of, that it will just accumulate. So I like to go ahead and just put stuff away and have it nice and neat.
So getting tired, now won't you meet high? Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me.
And of course, I'm just gonna finish everything off by vacuuming the floor. So I'm gonna vacuum in his room and also in the bathroom. So that is the end of my clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these type of clean with me videos, then of course be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.
Crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.